I've been using Sprinkler Warehouse now for several years. I'm not a commercial user, I'm an end user. And one of the big advantages to me is that the guys at Sprinkler Warehouse provide me with the professional experience to, give me confidence to make changes and add to it. I've been, awesome.
I had these small boxes, but very difficult to replace parts. Now, with this big box, I have much more room.
Couple of new backwater valves. Yeah, 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. Works good. Thank you.
I'll never be Sprinkler Warehouse's largest customer, but they treat me like I am. Thanks, guys.